Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am super excited to share my very first solo trip experience with you all. And where better to go than the beautiful and historic city of Gaya. I went here for some work. I had lot of time, so I thought let's get explore the Gaya. So let's get started. First, let me show you where I am staying during my trip. It's a 3-star hotel. I am staying at Kusum Palace. It's located near Gaya Junction. This is my room. The room is spacious and comfortable with all the amenities I need. There is cozy bed, nice sitting area, cupboard, everything. However, I did encounter a bit of an issue when I first arrived. The room wasn't as clean as I expected. The blankets were very dirty. After notifying the staff, it took about an hour and 2-3 calls for them to come and clean the room, which was a bit disappointing. But on the brighter side, food was good. One of the things on my to-do list was to buy some toys for my kids. So I headed to a nearby market. Unfortunately, the shop I went to, most of the toys available were for small babies and I was looking for something for older kids. So I decided to check out another local market and I am so glad I did. This market had a much wider variety of items from clothes, jewelries, bag, handcrafted goods, and yes, toys that were perfect for my kids. The market here are vive and full of life. You can find unique items and it's great way to support local small vendors. This market reminds me of Sarojini Market of Delhi. After exploring the local market, I headed to Pind Baluchi for dinner. As soon as I walked in, I felt like I was transported to a traditional Pind. The aesthetic decoration from vibrant paintings to the glass bangles adorning the walls, everything reminds me of a typical Punjabi village. The ambience here is absolutely amazing. The menu offers a wide range of Punjabi dishes. I decided to try their soya chap masala butter naan, and I must say the food was delicious. It was like getting a taste of Punjab right here in Gaya. I also tried virgin mojito here. I didn't like it much. It was too sweet, but the food is very yummy. Then I clicked some photos and came back to the hotel. This city has so much to offer. I am looking forward to what tomorrow brings. Till then, take love and bye bye.